Hey guys, I'm on my way to go check this single family home here in Kissimmee. Just came to market. Think it's a great opportunity. After touring the entire home, I will let you know if I would buy this home or not. So watch the whole video. Ask if you have questions. Call me or text me if you are interested in this home. All right? On my way. Okay, here it is. 3-2-1 story. It's in a cul-de-sac. I'm gonna show you real quick. Really nice end of the street home. Now let's go check the inside. Okay.
All the way to bottom, but I've never seen it all. It can all toss away, don't get attached to the current spins, no flurries. The rhythm won't worry. If you fall behind, I'll be humming till you hurry. Top, all the way to bottom, but I've never seen it all. It can all toss away, don't get attached to the current spins, no flurries. The rhythm won't worry. If you fall behind, I'll be humming till you hurry. With the horn, I can't take a loss. With the horn, I can't take a loss.
Did a walkthrough. Is it move-in ready? It needs love. It's a great opportunity. I'm going to tell you why. The community is off of Simpson Road. Okay? 2 seconds and you're on 192. What am I trying to tell you with this? You are in the Neo City vicinity. The largest development. What does that mean for you? Well, the location is so desirable. Okay? And it's only going to get better as this development comes to a completion, which we're going to have a lot of people coming in wanting to move here because of this development. You have public transportation nearby. You can get to the airport, the loop in minutes. You're close to the medical arts district, so you have the hospital nearby as well. So the location is fantastic. Supermarkets, restaurants, you name it, you can be there in just minutes. There's no HOA. The size of the lot, it's not huge, but it's decent. It's all fenced in, okay? Now, let's talk about the punch list, like the inspectors say. It would make a huge difference once number 1, you clean the property. Number 2, you paint the property. Number 3, you change the light fixtures for modern ones. So those are you clean, you paint, change the light fixtures. Those are 3 projects that will make the biggest difference. Okay. I mean, you want it, you can get it. Just call me. I'll help you paint. Now, there are other beyond the cosmetics because I think these things are not, in my opinion, these are mainly cosmetics. Okay. The tile came off the main bathroom, so that needs a repair. And the skylight needs repair. Replacing the blinds, adding a new microwave. Those are the things that jump out at me. And there's something in the ceiling inside the garage that needs to be looked at. Obviously, the maintenance on the outside, meaning cutting the grass, right? Putting a little bit of love into it. I think that will make a difference. That's my punch list. I'm not an inspector, you see, but I can tell you what more or less, the home from just viewing it. These are easy things. And we can create a strategy where even a first-time home buyer financing with FHA could get this one. Structuring an offer, for me, it would be very, very simple. And based on the condition of the property, I wouldn't offer full price. I'll tell you that. I would not. How much would I offer? Call me and let's talk about it if you're interested in making an offer, okay? But yeah, this is a great opportunity. I'm excited about this home. Yes, you may not see the potential because sometimes we're just like, it's easy to have it done for us, already complete and everything. But man, I'm excited, especially in this location, not to have HOA and having a house here in the middle of it all. It's great. Great potential. I'm excited. And yeah, let me know what you think about this home. Let me know in the comments. This is Judy Hernandez, and this is a very casual, raw footage of a house tour. I saw this home and I thought about what a great opportunity it is. I jumped in my car as soon as I saw it, got the code and said, hey, this is for someone I know. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget, watch the video. YouTube already picked up for you. Till next time.